Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor boy named Rohan. He lived with his widowed mother in a small hut, struggling to make ends meet. Rohan worked hard, studying by the light of a small lamp and helping his mother with odd jobs to make ends meet. One day, a local businessman, Mr. Kumar, visited the village. He was impressed by Rohan's intelligence and determination and offered him a scholarship to study in the city. Rohan's life changed overnight. He excelled in a school, making new friends and learning new skills. He worked part-time jobs to support himself and his mother, never forgetting his humble beginnings. Years passed and Rohan graduated with honors. He landed a good job and soon became a successful entrepreneur, creating jobs and opportunities for others. But Rohan never forgot his roots. He went back to his village, built a school and provided scholarships to poor children, giving them the same opportunities he had received. Rohan's mother looked at him with pride, knowing her son had made a difference. Rohan's story inspired many, showing that with hard work, determination, and a bit of help, remember, success is not just about achieving greatness but also about lifting others up along the way. Keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. Rohan's journey don't stop there. He continued to work hard, expanding his business and creating more opportunities for others. He became a respected leader in his community, known for his kindness and generosity. Years later, Rohan received a call from the same businessman, Mr. Kumar, who had given him the scholarship. Mr. Kumar was now an old man and he wanted to see Rohan one last time. Rohan visited Mr. Kumar, who was bedridden and weak, but his eyes still sparkled with pride as he looked at Rohan. "You have made me proud, Rohan," Mr. Kumar said. "You have achieved greatness, but more importantly, you have stayed true to your roots. You have made a difference in the lives of many." Rohan was moved to tears. He thanked Mr. Kumar for believing in him and promised to continue making a positive impact. After Mr. Kumar's passing, Rohan inherited his vast fortune, but instead of using it for personal gain, he established a foundation in Mr. Kumar's name, dedicated to providing education and opportunities to underprivileged children. Rohan's story came full circles as he continued to inspire and uplift others, just as Mr. Kumar had done for him. Remember, successful is not just about achieving greatness, but also about lifting others up along the way. Keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. As the years went by, Rohan's foundation grew and he became a renowned philanthropist. He traveled the world speaking about the importance of education and opportunity. He met with world leaders, inspiring them to make a difference. One day, Rohan received a call from the president of his country asking him to lead a national initiative to eradicate poverty and improve education. Rohan accepted and his work took him to the most remote and underserved areas of the country. He met with villagers, listened to their stories, and worked tirelessly to implement solutions. He built schools, hospitals, and infrastructure, creating opportunities for thousands. Rohan's work didn't go unnoticed. He received international recognitions, including the Nobel Peace Prize. But he remained humble, knowing that his work was far from over. Years later, Rohan's mother passed away, surrounded by her proud family. Rohan delivered a eulogy praising her strength and resilience. My mother taught me that even in the darkest times there is always hope, he said. She showed me that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. Rohan's story inspired generation to come. He continued to work tirelessly, leaving a lasting legacy of kindness, compassion, and opportunity. And so Rohan's journey came full circle, a testament to the power of the human spirit. He provided that with hard work, determination, and a bit of help, anyone can achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the world.